Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video. Let's see. A few days ago we changed the turbo to an Opel Meriva 1700 CDT. When they brought it to us, we realized that the turbo, we checked everything. We checked the turbo solenoid valve, we checked the vacuum tubes, we checked the turbo actuator, and we saw that everything worked correctly, but that the turbo did not move, so we told the owner that he had to change the turbo, that it was wrong, and the owner of the car brought us a used turbo. We changed it. Since it also takes a lot of work to change the turbo in this car, and it turns out that yesterday afternoon the owner of the car came again, told us that he had spoken with a friend who was fond of mechanics, telling us that we had deceived him, and I asked him why. He says, "Look, my friend has taught me that this turbo works perfectly, because the turbine moves and is not noticeable have slack. Sorry, this hits the compression propeller. Okay, I check it and I see that the compression propeller moves. I already noticed that there is a little bit of play in the shaft, but that it comes out more than it should, and there was something loose inside. Okay, I'll show it to you." To the owner, who is not very convinced, so I tell him, "Now we are going to do the other test. I am going to turn the compressor propeller, and we are going to see how the turbine moves, which is on the other side, because you know that they are connected by the shaft. Look, I am going to do the test. Since they are connected by the shaft, they should rotate at the same time, logically. Now I am going to rotate it, and if you look closely, you will see that the turbine is not moving, because it is the shaft that joins them inside is broken. Okay? Your friend, a mechanics enthusiast, forgot to do that fundamental test. Not only do you have to move the compressor propeller, but also check that, in turn, it also moved the turbine. Okay? In the end the owner ended up apologizing. And anyway, there are people for everything. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.